last step for your tops is to make a binding. What you need to do is measure around your neckline and then add a little extra for your binding. The best thing to measure around a curve is a tape measure because it's flexible. Do not want to see you using a ruler. Place on the edge and then follow it round as you go until you get the measurement of the entire neck. Try not to stretch the neck as you go. Okay, so far we have got, and I'm going to round this up, 46 centimetres, and then I'm going to add a little extra for the tuck over I need at each end. So I'm going to add another 3 centimetres onto that, and I'll probably end up rounding up to 50, okay? So I know my binding has to be minimum 50 centimetres. Now, when you have to do your binding, you need to make sure that you are on an angle of 45 degrees from your selvage, yeah? So here's a metre ruler, and the metre ruler is about the width we need for our binding. So that's why it's really good to use one of these. So what we'll do is from the selvage edge here, we're going to look out on a 45-degree angle, okay? So if I went parallel with my straight edge, that is a 90-degree angle. And if I go halfway in between that, that's 45, yeah? So that's about where I am now. That's the bias cut. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my chalk and I'm going to mark each side of the metre ruler because that's about the width that I want my binding. And then I can slide my ruler down and measure that it is 50 centimetres that I need. So I only need to cut that. So that's my binding piece cut. Now when I go to pull it, it's going to stretch slightly, and that's what we want because we're going around a curve, so we want it to curve with the neckline. I'm going to cut that strip out and then I'll do my next demonstration, which will be how to sew it onto the neckline. Cool? You can stop now.